You're logging in now. Welcome to my channel. As you can see, this is the car that I'm gonna be working on. 1982 Chevy Caprice. Got a lot of parts. I'm gonna be putting the LS in this car. We got tail lights for it. We got all the parts that we need. If you name it, you see it. You see arrows anywhere, we are gonna replace it. Everything about this car is gonna be replaced. All the bottom frame has been done, but we're gonna redo it because the guy that had it, where we had it at, it was just sitting there. As you can see, we got parts galore. Get to the roof. Don't worry. Don't worry. This car will be flipped very fast. Welcome to my channel. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and thank you for coming to my Lola show. Alright. Finally got up to the house, as you can see. Opening up the gates. Got her back here. I'm gonna go take her to a new house real quick. I'll cut y'all back on in a minute.